Welcome back to Kerney-cation. We're at Six Flags over Texas to ride Tormenta. Their brand new 6 world record breaking, tallest, fastest, longest dive coaster, Tormenta. So big shout out, thanks to Tony Clark and Six Flags for inviting us out. Let's go ride Tormenta. So, our first time actually at Six Flags over Texas. We flew down all the way to Dallas just for this media day, and oh my gosh, like, dude, look how big that loop is. But the park wasn't open yet, so they did have the VIP and media check-in right out front, and here's the front entrance to Six Flags over Texas. And then as soon as you get in, they were just pushing everybody to the left. So if you're looking for Tormenta, like in the park, as soon as you come up on the Six Flags over Texas sign, turn left. So you'll want to head left. They did have a couple of the Looney Tunes characters out, so I am totally not used to that, like coming from Cedar Point and Legacy Cedar Fair Park, so that was cool to see during the event. But if you keep going left, you'll go through the Mexico area here, and then Spain is where Tormenta is. And in the Mexico Pavilion kind of area, they did have some live music, and they had live music over by Tormenta as well. So overall, this was one of the bigger media days I've been to. Very similar to Top Thrill 2, right? Like, this is a record-breaking coaster. There was a lot of people in attendance here. As you can kind of see, it's a pretty big crowd as soon as you get into the Tormenta area. But again, Bugs Bunny, Daffy Duck there with the Tormenta bowl right out front. But they did have a ribbon cutting ceremony, and then I was actually scheduled for my on-ride footage at about 10:30. So the ribbon cutting was at about 10:15. But yeah, again, the theming in this area is so good. They did such a great job with this coaster. I was really happy with it. But let's check out the ribbon cutting ceremony.
Tormenta Rampaging Run and Six Flags over Texas' 65th anniversary. My name is Tony Clark from the Six Flags PR team. We're so very delighted and happy that all of you could make it here today as we unleash the largest, the biggest Giga dive coaster, 6 world records, the tallest ever. How many of you have been on it so far? Reviews, yes? I like it. So for those of you who have not yet ridden, talk to any of your friends here, get a little preview of what the ride is like. We're pretty confident that you will love it. You'll love the thrills and all of the new things we're offering here at Six Flags over Texas this year and beyond. Lots more to share with you in the future, but today it's all about Tormenta Rampaging Run. Up next, I'd like to introduce someone very special to the park. He is Pete Carmichael, the park president of Six Flags over Texas. Pete?
Good morning, everybody. Well, good morning and welcome to Six Flags over Texas. It is great to see so many familiar faces, especially our elected officials, community partners, and members of the media that have traveled near and far in order to celebrate the opening of Tormenta Rampaging Run. I would like to extend a special welcome to the Honorable Mayor Jim Ross and all of the council members, Jim Ross, and all of the council members of the City of Arlington who were gracious enough to join us today in support of our new ride. Tormenta is the tallest dive coaster in the world, towering at over 309 feet. This attraction is more than just a new ride. It's a transformational experience for our guests that will thrill riders from all over the world. We are standing in the Rancho de la Tormenta, a small Spanish village that honors their legendary hero and protector, Tormenta the Bull. We have restored our historic and beautiful fountains. We have added new shade and new misting zones. We have restored our family teacups attraction and created brand new culinary experiences, including everything that's for our guests to enjoy.
Y'all out here are like the mayor that says, I'm so excited for others to ride it. Yeah. All right, so by the power invested in me as the mayor of Arlington, those who are scaredy cats like myself, I hereby grant you a reprieve from having to be influenced by your friends and family and teased to get on that thing. I will hold every purse, every stuffed animal. I will hold everything to avoid getting my old tail up there.
Tonight, we'd like you to do the honors of actually cutting the ribbon with our comically large, everything is bigger in Texas scissors. And I'm going to count us down from 6 for the 6 world records that Tormenta Rampaging Run breaks. And if we time this right, you will have a roller coaster fly over your head when that happens, okay? Here we go in slow motion. 6, 5, 4, 3, everybody, 2, 1, move! I'll take the large scissors. Thank you. It's snowing in Texas. Who would have thought?
Alright, so here's the queue. My POV was like right after the ribbon cutting, so they have you go in the fast lane. This is the fast lane side. But the queue does look nice. It's got some shade, and it does have some of the misters to help keep people cool, which is nice. And there are lockers, so sorry I didn't get much footage of those, but there are lockers available as well. But here is me getting mic'd up for Tormenta. I definitely recommend trying to sit towards the center of the vehicle, like I'm in the middle. It doesn't matter which row, but anywhere in the center, it's going to be the smoothest ride for you. But here is my POV, so let's take a look. Welcome back to Kerney-cation. We are here at Six Flags over Texas for Tormenta. This is their brand new roller coaster. It's over 300 feet tall. So if you're from Cedar Point, you watch me in Cedar Point, think Valravn, but this is almost 90 feet taller, and the drop is about 70 more feet. So let's go. You can see this even from the airport. Like, I was driving, just right off the highway. This thing is absolutely massive. And here we go, up this giant hill. Oh my gosh. A lot from up here. We're only halfway. There's only about 8 bigger roller coasters that are over 300 feet. Here we go. Oh man, we're at the top. Woo! Oh, what a great view out here. Let's go.
You good, Ariel?
All right. Wow. This is an amazing view from up here, honestly. You can see the city. Oh my gosh. They're going to dangle us over the edge and hold us. Holy moly. Holy moly. Here we go. Woo! My gosh. Oh! Oh! This loop is massive. Here we go. All right. Woo. Woo. All right, they're gonna dangle us one more time. This one, oh, there's that big drop. Man, that loop is huge. Holy moly. Here we go again. Woo! And we're it. We made it. We did it. Oh, so good. So much fun. Oh my gosh. Get out here to Six Flags over Texas. Ride this thing. So much fun. 300 feet, man. This thing is so, like, oh, you can't even really compare it to Valravn, but man, it was so much fun. After you ride, the store is right across from the Tormenta entrance. So they had so much merchandise. They definitely went all out. I love to see that, especially for a new ride. So they had mugs, sweaters, travel cups, so much stuff. So and a bunch of different designs too. So definitely, if you're looking for some Tormenta merch, they have some too in the Six Flags like main store, but this store right across from Tormenta is really the biggest selection that you'll find in the park. And they did have some specialty food out during the event. The chorizo slider, that was my favorite. The street corn salad, and the chicken torta slider. They also had some tacos, which were very good as well.
All right, so that'll do it. We rode Tormenta. Man, it is a great coaster. Over 300 feet. It's fast. I think it's 87 miles an hour. 309 feet. Such a great ride. So overall, we really liked it. I did ride in the back row, back left. So it was a completely different experience than the front. So you don't get dangled like off the edge there, but you do get pulled down. So, and I was on the outer edge. I feel like I did get a little bit more bumpier. So if you want like a smooth ride, try and stay in the middle of the ride. So thanks for watching. Again, thanks to Six Flags for inviting us out. I hope you enjoyed this real family vacation.